Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hazelnut praline paste. First, you'll need to roast 200 grams of hazelnuts. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until fragrant. Once roasted, immediately transfer the warm nuts to a clean kitchen towel and rub them vigorously to remove their skins. This crucial step ensures a smooth, non-bitter praline paste, enhancing the rich hazelnut flavor. Next, let's create the caramel. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 100 grams of granulated sugar with 30 milliliters of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat without stirring. Allow the sugar to dissolve and then caramelize. Watch it carefully as it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. If you need to, you can gently swirl the pan, but avoid stirring with a spoon to prevent crystallization. Once your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, immediately pour it over the roasted, skinned hazelnuts spread out on a sheet of parchment paper. Let this mixture cool completely until it hardens into a brittle sheet. Once firm, break the praline into smaller pieces. Transfer these pieces to a food processor and begin to process them. Initially, it will look like coarse crumbs, but keep going. Continue processing the hazelnut praline in your food processor. It will go through stages, from crumbs to a thick butter, and then eventually the oils will release, transforming it into a wonderfully smooth, pourable paste. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, so be patient. Once it reaches your desired consistency, transfer your homemade hazelnut praline paste to an airtight container. Store it at room temperature for several weeks, or in the refrigerator for longer. Also, check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.